Alright, we're finished with our head. We got the eyes in, let them all set up. We got the mouth hooked back up so the mouth works good. What we're going to do now is we're going to put our wig on. And we cut this piece of fabric out that we're going to use for the wig. So the first thing we wanted to do is to measure to see what we needed. So I measured around here to get that part there and measured down to here. So, and I always cut the fabric a little bit bigger so I can trim it up. I don't want it to be too short when I put it on. So we cut that out. Also drew a line across here where I want this to go. And this is going to go here. So we're going to flip it over and put it on this way. So when we bend it back around, it will hide this seam here and you won't see the seam. And we're going to staple this on. And I use staples, so if you have to get into the head, all you have to do is take the staples out, unscrew these two screws, and this back piece will come out, and then you can get inside if you ever have to make any kind of repairs. That side, this side. Now we can fold this back around. You can see that we have a good seam there, so it's not going to interfere with that. So we'll just get this attached. What we have to do is take this down here and we'll trim up these sides, cut them on angles so it fits good here, and then we'll be ready to go to the next step. It's a little long, so I'm going to cut some of this off. So we're going to do that, get that cut off, and then we'll be on to the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section and I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.